People will debate whether to go to a furniture store and buy an armoire or a dresser or to do a custom built-in wardrobe. What's challenging about armoires is those are not designed for you. They're designed for somebody, right? So the size of an armoire may be too big, it may be too small. Maybe you want to hang clothes, but the armoire is only 18 or 19 inches deep and you can't fit a hanger inside of there. So it's not designed for you, it's designed in general. The other challenge with an armoire is with respect to pattern, color, and style. So in this particular installation, we used really more of a flat, more contemporary type of drawer with an eased edge. Well, maybe you find an armoire and it's the right size, but it's got a shaker paneling design or a raised paneling design that's very traditional. So with a custom built-in wardrobe, you can choose not only the finished pattern, you can choose the type of handles you want, how big the drawers are, how wide the drawers and doors are. Basically, you can build it directly and custom for you. If you do want to learn more, go to innovatehomework.com or give us a call, 614-545-6888. Thank you.